Good morning, dear students. Hope so all you are fit and fine. And today, now we are going to start the chapter number 8 from your science book, Forms of Water. It's really very interesting chapter. So let's start. Take the book, listen the audio, watch the video, and whatever I will ask you to do, you please do. Okay, something underline like that. And last day I gave the homework. So many of you have done the homework, but not all, so you must do your homework regularly. Okay, so let's start the chapter Forms of Water. So forms of water, in this chapter that will come to know the states of water exactly. In our nature also we can see that water, it has the three states. Number one, water, that is liquid. Number two, ice, that is solid. And the stream, that is gas, like this. Okay, in the picture page number 43 you can see. So what is found in three forms, solid, liquid and gas, that I have said you already. We see these three forms in our daily life. The water we drink is the liquid form, and definitely if I ask you to drink the ice, then you can't drink, isn't it? So ice is the solid form, and steam or water vapor is the gaseous form. Water changes its form on being heated or cooled. So water can change its state from the liquid form to solid form, solid form to gas form to again the liquid form. Means these three state you can interchange, okay, from one state to another state, but some procedure should be there. So now we are going to learn about this. So exactly that I said you that you can transfer the ice into gas. It will not convert into gas directly. Okay, in middle some steps are there too. About this we are going to learn, and through this chapter that we will learn, that will come to know that water is found in three forms in our nature. That is a solid, liquid and gas. The water we drink is the liquid form, ice is the solid form, and steam or water vapor is the gaseous form. Water changes its form on being heated or cooled, and in nature too water keeps changing its form. Okay, this is called water cycle. So this we are going to learn after reading this chapter. So let's start. That on being heated, whenever we heat the water, what happens with water, let's see. Okay, this little experiment you can do at home, but please take the help of your parents. Heat some water in a pan. Okay, in any cooking pot you can take water and please make it heat. Then what you will see water will start boiling slowly. Due to heat, some water will change into steam, water vapor. Okay, and little bit white color you can see. Exactly, water doesn't have color. Okay, we can see this vapor as it escapes out of the pan. So we see that water changes into water vapor on being heated. So whenever you are making the water heat, then water is coming out in the form of vapor. Okay, so the process of changing of water vapor in water on cooling is called condensation. So what is the condensation? For this you can do what? On page 44 you can see, hold a steel plate in front of boiling kettle. What do you see? So in the pot where you were boiling the water, just over there, when the water vapor is coming out, you just please hold any dish. Okay, any dish. So what you will see that little drops of water on the plate. This is because the steam cools down when it touches the plate and changes back into drops of water, because the water vapor was hot and the plate was little bit cool. For sudden getting the touch of the cool surface, so water vapor became into the drops of water. This process is called condensation. Okay, so now in the picture you can see there is a picture of refrigerator. Okay, that you say freeze. So we can cool water even more in a freezer. Fill an ice tray with water, keep it in the freezer for about 2 hours. That you see the deep freeze like this. Okay, on taking out tray from the freezer, you will see that water has changes into ice. This obviously you know that from the refrigerator we can get the ice cubes. Okay, the process of changing of water into ice on cooling is called freezing. Okay, where that water is becoming into the ice, that is, this process is called freezing. Look at the changes in water that you can see. Whenever water you are making it heat, it is become vapor. Whenever you are water you are making it cool, it is becoming ice cube. So now let's see and learn about the water cycle. On the page number 45, one picture is given there, and the animation that I'm going to show you, you please watch the picture and along with the video also, then you can get the gist meaning. Okay, we learned that water changes in its forms. Okay, it takes place in nature too. Whatever we have come to know, so the same thing happens in nature naturally. How? When the sun shines, its heat changes water of seas, rivers, lakes, and ponds into water vapor. Okay, so this water vapor rises up into the air because it is light. As it goes up, vapor goes down to form teeny drops of water. So when by getting the heat of the sun, the water from the river, seas, lake, and pond, it is becoming hot, it is becoming water vapor. Then definitely water vapor is going up. Why? Because the water vapor is very light, and whenever it is going light, and it is getting the cool touch of the wind, and definitely it is becoming the small water drops. Okay, these drops of water join into form of clouds. Okay, form clouds. So when the water vapors are coming upside, so these water vapor, they are making the friendship among them. After making a very good close friendship, this friendship, it is making another form, it is called cloud. When these clouds get further cooled, the water drops become bigger. Okay, when the small drops, they are getting together, and the water drops are becoming very big water drops, and they can't stay upside. Okay, they become bigger. When they become too big, they fall down as rain. Then water, they can't stay, okay, in the cloud, and in the form of rain they come down. So in the picture you can see some rain water enters deep into the ground. So in the previous chapter that we have come to know about the groundwater. Okay, some rainwater enters deep into the ground, while rest flows into rivers, seas, ponds, and lakes. This water is again heated by the sun and rises high up into the air again to form clouds. So the same system is going on. These clouds further change into water and fall in the form of rain. Thus it makes a cycle known as the water cycle. It is repeated again and again in the nature. So this way it is going on, and this way the clouds are being made. So today we have come to know how does the rain happen, how is the cloud made. So this was the chapter about the states of water on page number 43, the forms of water. So watch the video once again, read the chapter once again, and do your homework carefully regularly. Till then, tata bye bye. Wait for the next class. Bye everyone.